Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the ASUS Zenbook Duo AI-powered 2-in-1 laptop, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You know how frustrating it can be when a device just doesn't feel like an extension of yourself? Like, you're trying to create something amazing, and then the screen starts lagging or the keyboard gets in the way. That's where the ASUS Zenbook Duo AI-powered 2-in-1 laptop comes in, a game changer for anyone who needs a reliable and versatile tool. So, who is this laptop for? Well, it's perfect for creatives like graphic designers, video editors, and writers who need a device that can keep up with their fast-paced workflow. It's also great for students, business professionals, and even gamers who want a portable and powerful machine. With the right configuration, this laptop can do it all. I have to say, I was really excited to get my hands on the ASUS Zenbook Duo AI-powered 2-in-1 laptop. The combination of its sleek design, powerful processor, and stunning display makes it feel like a dream come true for anyone who's ever used a laptop that just doesn't quite get it right. So, what makes this laptop truly special? For starters, let's talk about the display. With its 14-inch OLED WUXGA screen, everything on screen feels buttery smooth whether you're in a firefight or scrubbing through a timeline. It's like having your own personal movie theater in the palm of your hand. Another feature that really stood out to me is the laptop's 2-in-1 design. With the keyboard and display separating seamlessly, it's perfect for working in different environments, whether you're at home, on the go, or in a coffee shop. It's also incredibly portable, making it easy to take with you wherever life takes you. But what really sets this laptop apart is its performance. The 15th Gen Ultra 9-285H processor packs a punch, handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. Plus, with Intel Arc 140V integrated graphics, you can enjoy stunning visuals without breaking the bank. It's like having your own personal supercomputer in a device that's small enough to fit in your bag. Now, I know what you're thinking: is this laptop really worth the investment? And my answer is, absolutely. With its powerful performance, stunning display, and versatile design, it's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable and efficient machine. Plus, with a 1-year manufacturer warranty and professional upgrades from great price tag, you can trust that you're getting a top-notch device. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning the real-world performance of this laptop. In my hands-on testing, I found that it performed flawlessly, handling everything from video editing to coding with ease. The keyboard was responsive and comfortable to type on, and the display was bright and vibrant even in low-light environments. If you're considering purchasing the ASUS Zenbook Duo AI-powered 2-in-1 laptop, my advice is to go for it. With its unbeatable combination of performance, portability, and versatility, it's a game changer for anyone who needs a reliable and efficient machine. And if this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.